I'm gonna be doing a review on the Warrior drill driver. I got it from Harbor Freight. To take the battery out, just push this button and pull it apart. This is the charger for the battery. This is the box that came with it. Warrior 18 volt 3/8 of an inch cordless drill driver. The torque setting, I have 1, goes up to 17, 18, 19, 20. When you're drilling, you want to have it on this setting. It is a keyless chuck, so that's a good thing. There's a forward button and the reverse button. I'll have it on about 8 and see how it goes. This time I'm gonna drill a bigger hole. I use a bigger size drill. Five, 6, 7. Okay, 7 is not working. I'll have it on 8, 9. Actually, I'll just put it on 13. I'm gonna have it on 17, 18, 19. The higher the number, the more powerful the torque will be. I'll have it on 19 and I'm gonna try screw right into the 2x4 without drilling any hole. That's all I got, and thank you for watching.